Well, the summer might be officially over, but I have had this video waiting to finish for a voiceover for a little bit, so I figured let's wrap it up together. This event is held by Cars Caffe in New Jersey, and it's one of my favorites outside of their Festa d'Italiano they tend to hold. And I'll try to keep my voiceover minimum so you can enjoy the video. This is just a quick walk around of the parking lot once it started to fill out. Really good blend of American muscle, Italian exotics, and even a lot of German cars as well. Arguably one of my favorite cars from this event that day, a Mercedes McLaren SLR 722, and I believe this was actually a car I saw years ago when I worked at Best Buy. I remember helping a customer get like a power cable for their phone, and I saw them leaving that, and I was just, my jaw was on the floor, because it's an incredibly rare car. Surprising showstopper amongst all the exotic cars was this gorgeous Veilside kitted RX-7. I believe the owner also owns an R34 GTR that I saw last year, but I'm not 100% sure. Sometimes the cars in the parking lot are just as good as the ones inside the show, like this beautiful R32 GTR that we saw while leaving. I love the Nismo wheels on it. And of course, there's no better way to end a Cars and Coffee day than at Sunday Motor Cafe, one of my favorite places. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.